How to change your HP All-In plan. If you would like to switch your HP All-In plan to a different monthly plan, you can do so at any time after setting up your printer. Changes become effective at the start of the next billing cycle. To begin, sign into your account at hpsmart.com. Click HP All-In Print Plan in the left menu. To view the amount of pages you are currently printing, select Overview. Your printing history is displayed under Monthly Print Plan Summary. You can use this information to help determine which plan is best for your level of printing. To change your plan, select Update Plan. A list of available plans display. Choose the plan you want to switch to. The new plan becomes effective in your next billing cycle. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.